How to fix a Samsung TV that keeps freezing. So if your Samsung TV keeps freezing, lagging, or becoming unresponsive, this guide is for you. In this guide, you are going to learn how you can properly diagnose the freezing issue and how you can fix the actual cause. So first off, you need to perform a full power drain. So you need to first of all unplug the Samsung TV completely from the power. Then simply wait for at least 5 minutes. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold the physical power button available on your TV. So you need to press and hold it for at least 30 to 40 seconds before plugging the TV back in. This is going to clear the temporary memory corruption in the background processes that can cause the TV interface to freeze repeatedly. Afterwards, you need to open some different applications, like you can open YouTube, you can open Netflix or any Samsung TV Plus or any kind of regular settings. If the freezing only happens inside one application, it means that the problem is usually with the app cache corruption rather than the TV itself. So in that case, you can go to the settings of your device. Inside the settings, you can just simply go to the option of support. Inside support, you will find the device care option, and inside device care, you just have to look for the option of manage storage. Then you need to clear the cache and reinstall that problematic application. Now, Samsung Smart TVs can freeze badly when the Wi-Fi connection becomes unstable during streaming. So in order to fix that, you just have to simply open the settings, then look for the option of network. Afterwards, you just have to look for the option of network status. If possible, make sure that you switch to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi if you are using 5 gigahertz, or you need to connect it through the Ethernet. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. Thank you.